Welcome, honoring and dedicating to retirees who write our success stories. Retirement planning. Master the 3 buckets strategy for a secure retirement. Congratulations on your retirement. FinTax ASA's original mission is to provide quality of knowledge of finance and taxes, but we did not stop there. Did you know that over 50% of Americans risk outliving their retirement savings? It's a staggering statistic, but there is a strategy to ensure you won't be part of it. Your partner in finding the right way. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into why having a solid retirement plan is crucial and how starting early can make all the difference. Let's explore the 3 buckets strategy to secure your future. Many people believe that a single retirement account is sufficient or that Social Security will cover all their needs. These misconceptions can lead to financial shortfalls and stress in your golden years. Without a comprehensive plan, you could face unexpected medical expenses, inflation, and market volatility. Imagine retiring only to realize your savings aren't enough. It's a harsh reality for many, but it doesn't have to be for you. There are several types of retirement accounts you can use to build your nest egg. The 401(k) offers tax advantages through employer contributions. The IRA provides flexibility and potential tax deductions. Meanwhile, the Roth IRA allows your investments to grow tax-free, offering significant benefits for your future. Each account has its own set of benefits. Diversifying among these can help protect your assets and maximize growth. Now, let's talk about the 3 buckets strategy. This approach divides your assets into 3 categories: growth, income, and safety. The growth bucket is for long-term investments like stocks aimed at significant growth over time. The income bucket includes assets that generate a steady income, such as bonds and dividend-paying stocks. Lastly, the safety bucket holds cash and other low-risk investments to cover short-term needs and emergencies. By balancing your assets across these buckets, you can manage risk and ensure you have funds available when you need them most. Now, optimize your retirement plan. Let's take a deeper look into each of the 3 buckets and how you can optimize them for your retirement plan. Bucket 1: Growth Concept. The growth bucket is where you allocate investments that have the potential for significant appreciation. These include stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. The primary goal here is to achieve capital growth over a long period. While stocks can be volatile in the short term, they have historically provided higher returns over the long term. Diversifying your stock investments across various sectors and geographical regions can help mitigate risk. Consider allocating a portion of this bucket to international stocks or emerging markets, which can offer growth opportunities beyond the domestic market. Bucket 2: Income Concept. The income bucket includes investments that generate regular income, such as bonds, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and dividend-paying stocks. This bucket provides the steady cash flow you'll need during retirement. Bonds, for instance, can offer fixed interest payments over time. Laddering bonds with different maturity dates ensures that you have a steady stream of income while minimizing interest rate risk. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of property management. They often pay higher dividends compared to traditional stocks, making them a valuable component of your income bucket. Bucket 3: Safety Concept. The safety bucket is designed to protect your principal and provide liquidity. This includes cash, money market accounts, and short-term government bonds. It's your financial cushion for unexpected expenses and market downturns. Having a substantial amount in a high-yield savings account ensures that your money is easily accessible and earns interest. It's essential to keep enough in this bucket to cover at least 1 to 2 years of living expenses. Short-term government bonds are low-risk investments that can provide a modest return while safeguarding your capital. They are ideal for the conservative portion of your portfolio. Let's balancing the buckets. Now that we've covered each bucket, let's talk about balancing them. The allocation between these buckets depends on your age, risk tolerance, and retirement goals. Calculate right balance. An online retirement calculator can help you determine the right balance based on your unique situation. Typically, younger investors might allocate more to the growth bucket, while those nearing retirement might shift more into the income and safety buckets. Portfolios for different ages, for instance. A 30-year-old might have 60% in growth, 30% in income, and 10% in safety. Meanwhile, a 60-year-old might prefer 30% in growth, 40% in income, and 30% in safety. Rebalancing your portfolio is crucial to maintain your desired risk level. As investments grow at different rates, your initial allocation can shift. Rebalancing involves periodically adjusting your investments to get back to your original allocation. This might mean selling some assets in the growth bucket to buy more in the safety bucket. Many financial advisors recommend rebalancing annually or whenever your allocation strays significantly from your target. This disciplined approach helps manage risk and keeps your retirement plan on track. Tax considerations. I would like you to understand the tax implications of your investments. Different accounts and investments have varying tax treatments. Contributions to traditional 401(k) and IRAs are tax deductible, but withdrawals are taxed as ordinary income. Roth IRAs, on the other hand, are funded with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals are tax-free. Investments in taxable accounts are subject to capital gains taxes. Long-term capital gains from assets held for over a year are taxed at a lower rate than short-term gains. Healthcare and long-term care planning. Healthcare is a significant expense in retirement. Planning for these costs is crucial to avoid depleting your savings. Being strategic about when you sell investments can minimize your tax burden. Medicare covers a portion of healthcare costs, but there are gaps. Supplemental insurance, known as Medigap, can help cover additional expenses. Long-term care insurance is another consideration. It covers services like nursing home care, which Medicare does not. Purchasing a policy while you're still healthy can lower your premiums. Estate planning. Require legal documents and diagrams. Estate planning ensures that your assets are distributed according to your wishes after you pass away. It also helps minimize estate taxes and legal complications for your heirs. Wills and trusts. Creating a will is the first step. A will outline how you want your assets distributed and name guardians for minor children. Trusts can offer more control over asset distribution and can help avoid probate. Beneficiary designations. Could you make sure to update beneficiary designations on your retirement accounts and insurance policies? These designations override what's in your will, so keeping them current is essential. At last, we summarizing key points. To recap, the 3-bucket strategy involves dividing your assets into growth, income, and safety buckets to balance growth potential and risk. Remember to rebalance your portfolio regularly, consider the tax implications of your investments, and plan for healthcare and estate costs. By following this strategy, you can build a robust retirement plan that provides financial security and peace of mind. Start today, and you'll be well on your way to a comfortable retirement. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial tips. Hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Share your own retirement planning experiences in the comments below and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Follow us on social media for daily tips and updates. Join our community of savvy planners and take control of your financial future. Check out our other videos for more insights into financial planning and investment strategies. Until next time, stay financially savvy. For further reading, here are some great resources on retirement planning. The Bogglehead's Guide to Retirement Planning, Your Money or Your Life, and websites like Investopedia and Fidelity's Retirement Planning Tools.